Get up on the bed. Get up. Come on. Get up on the bed. Lay down. You guys like my outfit? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my maternity fashion essentials. So I am currently 28 weeks pregnant, so I feel like I've definitely had some time to kind of figure out what my essentials are and what I'm grabbing for the most, and just kind of those items that you can throw on and feel good any given day of the week. So yeah, if you guys want to see what my maternity fashion essentials are, then just keep watching. Okay, so first I want to start off with accessories. So I really just have like one essential accessory that I feel like is crucial when you're pregnant. So that would be earrings. So for me, before I was pregnant, with a lot of like shirts and blouses, I always wore like a long necklace, and I found when I wear a long necklace now, it like flops to one side or the other because of my belly. So I've really been enjoying earrings lately, and I recommend just finding like 2 or 3 pairs that you absolutely love that go with everything. They can be statement, they can be a little bit more subtle. I prefer like kind of a more of a statement piece. So these ones here are actually ones that I would recommend. I got these at Target. They just have like a little gold like circle at the top, and then it's like a big hoop. Something about these earrings, I just think they go with everything. I'm sure if you guys follow me on Instagram, you've seen these a ton. I'm just wearing them all the time, and that just kind of allows me to accessorize without having to worry about my necklace falling in the wrong place or whatever. And then I just pair it with some short necklaces, which could be another essential, but for me, if I were to choose, I would definitely go for the earrings. Another pair of earrings that I have worn a ton, again, you guys have probably seen these in a video or on Instagram, but they look like this. So they have like a little white, why is this turning around? A little white shell piece, and then like this gold piece kind of over it. And these are just, again, so cute with everything, and I just find myself grabbing for these like 3 times a week and wearing them. These ones were like $9 from TJMaxx, and then these ones were under $10 from Target. So I do want to mention too that a lot of the things that I'm talking about are kind of like season specific. So if you live somewhere nice, then this will work for you. But if you live somewhere where it's colder and you're pregnant during like the colder part of the year, then your essentials might be a little bit different. So I just wanted to throw that out there. But my next essential is slip-on shoes. Oh my gosh. So the first pair I want to talk about are these, which you can see are pretty well loved already, and I only got these a few weeks ago. So these shoes are from Target, and they are just like a brown strappy sandal. I absolutely love that they have a little tiny bit of a wedge. As for me, since being pregnant, and actually even before I was pregnant, flats really don't work for me. It kills my knees, my shins, and my back. I would much prefer be in something of this height or higher. So these are great because they're like a slip-on sandal, but then they still have that little bit of a wedge that makes it comfortable and gives me just kind of that like incline, so it's not so much stress on my knees and everything. These were, I want to say, around $20 at Target, and then I heard afterwards that they were on like mega sale. So they also had them in black, which I kind of wish I had picked up. The other pair of slip-on shoes are just these like loafer style little slip-ons that I got from Old Navy. They have them in brown, black, they might have them in gold as well, and then the light pink. But they're just super cute, very comfy, just yeah, absolutely love them. I love the little treads on the bottom. It makes it really comfy when you walk, and they look super cute with pretty much anything. You can kind of dress them up or dress them down, but that way you are not bending over all the time trying to tie your shoes, because that's uncomfortable. The next fashion essential that I think is just an absolute must when you are pregnant is like your perfect fitted tank tops. So mine actually I got at Target. They were like $9 a piece, $9.99. I have it in white, black, and also the gray one I recently picked up, which I'm not sure why I didn't grab the gray one when I originally bought these like 2 months back, but I've been wearing the crap out of my gray one. They are maternity, so the side seam kind of falls a little bit further to the back. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that, but it allows more room for your belly in the front. They're super flattering, so stretchy, not see-through. They are nice and long. They're almost too long for me, but I think as my belly grows, you know, continues to grow, that it will be just fine. And I'm only 5'4", so if you're taller, they wouldn't be too long for you. But I highly recommend these for the price. The quality is amazing, and I have just worn these to death. Okay, so the next essential I would say are like kimonos or throwovers or anything of that sort. I just have found myself wearing my tight, you know, fitted tank tops to kind of show off my belly, but then I always want something to kind of go over the top. The first thing that I can recommend is purchasing a vest. If this is your style, this is definitely up my alley, and this color is like my favorite color to wear. So I got mine at TJMaxx, and it's by the brand Maxi Jeans. I got mine in an extra small, totally something I can wear after I'm pregnant, no problem there at all. And again, it just looks so cute over fitted tank tops. The other thing I would recommend is a denim top, and some of you guys probably already have this in your closet or wardrobe anyway. So mine is from Target, and again, in an extra small. I had this before I was pregnant, but I found myself grabbing for it a lot since I've been pregnant. Easy to throw on over a fitted tank top. Once again, pretty much all of these are for just over a plain fitted tank top, or that's what I've found them useful for. The other thing that I would recommend, like I said, is a kimono. So I have one here from Target, and this one just kind of has like a black polka dot see-through kind of texture going on. And then I have one from, I think this was from Forever 21. Yeah. And it's just in this like pink. It's that chiffon material, so light. You can totally wear this in the summer, in the hot months. I just think with like a cute pair of shorts and even those like pink Old Navy like slip-on flats would be so adorable. Found myself grabbing for that a lot. And then this one is like a crocheted version, and this was actually, I wore this in my last video, I believe. But this one is by the brand J. Jill, and I think they carry that at JCPenney, but really cute, simple, easy to throw over, and something I can wear after I'm pregnant. So I would definitely recommend maybe just picking up like 2 or 3, whatever, you know, something of your choice to just throw over those tight tank tops, because I really think you'll grab for them a lot. I know I have. So the next essential that I want to talk about is a maxi dress. Now this is gonna be your best friend. I have one here by Isabel Maternity from Target. It's just a black maxi. It has a nice empire waist with the v-neck, and then it has these cute slits on the sleeve there. So very flattering. This is like a really soft, like cottony jersey material. This one is actually not maternity, but it's more of that like empire waist. So if you don't want to buy like maternity maxi dresses, just look for ones that have the empire waist, so that come up here and then are just flowy from there on out. Those can generally work when you're pregnant, and then obviously when you're not as well. So these wrap dresses, which you can find on Pink Blush, and I know a lot of websites carry them, are just amazing. The fabric is like cool to the touch. It's like a really stretchy, light, nice material for summer. I love that it has this little tie over here. This is super flattering, and again, it's just one of those things that when you don't know what else to wear, you can just throw it on and feel good. It shows off your bump and you feel super cute. The next thing that I want to recommend is cute, loose t-shirts. So we have like our tight tank tops to kind of go under things, and then I've just found myself when I don't want to wear something tight, I just want something cute and comfy but still flattering. So I actually just recently found these tops at Old Navy. I'm wearing one now, so actually I'll stand up so you guys can see it, but this is just in the white. It was like $13, but as you can see, it's like a flattering shape, so it still shows off my bump. It's not too like loose that it's not doing anything for me. Very comfortable and not see-through, and plenty of room to grow into it. And it's also in a size, I bought these in a size small so I can wear them after I'm pregnant as well. And then I also got it in this, it's like a dark gray, black and white stripe print. Just, you can buy maternity t-shirts, whatever you feel most comfortable in, but I found like good basic t-shirts, just having 2 or 3 of them that you can just grab right out of your closet that you feel good in are just key. So as far as other tops go, I do recommend getting some cute like blouses. Now these can be maternity or they don't have to be, depending on where you are in your pregnancy too. I know to some extent, like, you just have to start buying maternity clothes, but I've been able to just stay in between here for a while. So the first top that I have here is this cute blue blouse, and it's really soft material. This is from Burlington Coat Factory. It was $15. I actually just picked this up so it still has the tag on it, but I love how it has this cute little tie here, ties right above your bump, and then it's just flowy, comfortable. Highly, highly recommend getting a top like this. You can wear it with leggings, jeans, you know, whatever. The other top here that I have is from Old Navy, and you guys have probably seen this. I posted it quite a few times on my Instagram. Bought this in a size small. It is not maternity, but what you want to look for in these blouses is length. So yes, you need width as well, but you really need length. So you need to kind of be buying, if you're not buying maternity, buying more like tunics, ones that kind of scoop down or a little bit lower in the front and in the back. That way, as your bump grows, it doesn't slowly turn into a belly shirt. So I have this in white as well, and this was around $13 when I bought it. I was just at Old Navy the other day, and they still have these in a bunch of different prints. Really like light material. You can roll the sleeves up. I love how it has this V-neck in the front. And then the last blouse that I wanted to mention is this one from Target. So cute. It has this like bell sleeve, and this is by Isabel Maternity. So this is a maternity top. So it's just kind of like plain up here, and then it gathers all right here, so it can open up for your belly, and it's definitely quite blousey and just kind of like flouncy. So it is kind of a bigger top, but since it has like, you know, this type of detail and everything, it looks very fashion forward rather than like a shirt that's too big for you. And it has this cute little like button at the top of the neck in the back. So absolutely adorable. Something that I would totally wear if I wasn't pregnant. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get away with it when I'm not pregnant, but I just like looking for those pieces that don't strictly look like a maternity shirt, just so you still feel fashionable, I guess. So I probably should have mentioned these items before mentioning all of the tops that I just talked about, because you will need both of these things to wear with all your tops. So a good pair of maternity jeans. Yes, you will need them. If you wear jeans, then you are gonna want at least just one pair of good maternity jeans. These were actually given to me from a friend, and she said they just didn't fit her right. They were a little bit too long for her, and they're in a size extra small. She said they're jeggings, so they go like extra small, small, medium, large, and so on, which I normally would be kind of afraid to order because you just don't really know what size you're gonna be, but they fit me perfectly. They are, again, so comfortable. I love the wash of them. Loving these. They have the full panel, and they have a ton of maternity jeans. They have them, Old Navy, Target carries them. You really just kind of have to find what works for you. Some people like the full panel, some people don't. For me, I just find it to be the most comfortable. Anywho, a good pair of maternity jeans is essential, along with a good pair of maternity shorts. So these I picked up at Target. Again, they're the full panel. In the back, they kind of cross over. Super cute. They kind of are like frayed at the bottom, so underneath one of those cute blouses, you totally wouldn't be able to tell that they're maternity. And I'm super excited to get some wear out of those. Again, they're so comfortable and stretchy. Make sure your maternity pants, shorts, whatever the heck you're buying on the bottom is stretchy. I have just 2 recommendations left for my essentials, and the first one is picking up a couple fitted dresses. These are from Old Navy, and they are their maternity fitted dresses. These are midi length, so if you're not a fan of midi length, you could always hem these or have them hemmed, so it comes like right above your knee. But I actually have had the worst time with my varicose veins since being pregnant. I had them before I was pregnant, but right now they are just popping, so I kind of am enjoying like covering up my legs a little bit more. And these are super, super comfy, not see-through. I love the gray one. They kind of have that like ruching on the side to open up for your belly. And I just recommend getting them in colors that you can wear with a bunch of like your other stuff. So lastly, I recommend getting a good t-shirt dress. So mine is kind of more of like a statement t-shirt dress, but I have one that's just plain gray and plain black. But I just highly recommend this because there's days you don't want to wear a tight dress. You don't want to wear a maxi dress. There's just nothing you want to wear, and just the sound of putting on a big t-shirt is like, yes, please. So this is from TJMaxx. This is not maternity, but it is quite boxy and big. I got this in a size small, which I would generally probably get an extra small, but because I wanted to wear it throughout my 3rd trimester, I just sized up one. Adorable lace sleeve here. I absolutely love that detailing. The color is so fun and super soft material. Again, pay attention to your length. You don't want something that's like mid-thigh, and then by the time your belly grows, it's like showing your underwear. So just pay attention to the length. That way you can get the most out of your clothing. But yeah, really love this. Did I say this was $19.99? I'm not sure if I mentioned the price. But yeah, I just recommend big t-shirt dress. You can get it with some type of like a statement sleeve or statement hem or print or something, or you can just get a plain one. But I just find that they're nice to have when you just don't feel like wearing anything else. So that is absolutely it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful in some way. If you are pregnant right now, please comment down below and let me know how many weeks you are. I love communicating with other mamas and, you know, first-time moms and other pregnant women out there, because it's just, you kind of need that community when you're pregnant. You just need someone to relate to when you're like, I just peed my pants. You can remind yourself that it's happening to like a million other women out there too. Yeah, comment down below if you are pregnant, letting me know how far along you are and what you're having. If you know what you're having, a boy or a girl, just share whatever you want down below. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.